Hello Google Plus and followers. Thank you very much for joining me. And of course, if you're new, hit the subscribe, show a like, and we all love when things come our way. I smell rotisserie chicken in the wee hours in the morning. I want to let you know, I wish GoPro would change the way we delete a video on their camera. And that day is coming soon at $499.99, the GoPro. For me, I'm not gonna hold out any much longer. I have an opinion like you have an opinion, and I will take your criticism, but there is a limit of how far we can criticize. I'm very much entitled to say what I want, when I want, where I want, how I want, and you're entitled to your opinion. GoPro, you did it again. You stayed in the on manner, and what a beautiful shot I'm going to get than worry about a bug and issue. Oh yeah, I'm heading towards a Lowe's and next to a Home Depot. And I'm going into Lowe's and I'm looking for sandpaper, and I'm looking for Black & Decker mouse sandpaper, a smaller one than I got. If not, I'll get another package of the ones I have, because I know I'm going to be using a lot of them, and a small roll of Black & Decker. And I've taken the one with me this time, so this way I could correctly get the right one. I have the smaller rolling Black & Decker, not the large one. Let me not forget to get some of those eraser type sandpapers as well. I use them a lot. I gotta get off this road. It's just so bumpy, let me tell you. I said, let me not forget the sandpaper eraser type sandpapers, right? And the GoPro just acts right back up. Gas, $3.69. I called. Goes down any lower? Oh man, I got gas already. I got my exercise going to the store. That's a good thing for me. Well, yeah, I'm gonna look around. Maybe I need some other things, but my main goal is to get sandpaper. I don't know what else I need, but I know I'm gonna have to come back for some other stuff. Oh, let me look for some mosquito, put it in the hose and spray water. So this way I can get rid of mosquitoes that the city never sprays anymore. And they say they do. I gotta look, I gotta look, I gotta look. Got everything I needed. And yeah, I'm not gonna make a smart remark for you because this stuff is not getting returned. I do things my way. Yeah, I'm happy what I got. And look, the pumpkins are out. They're not $5, they're probably well over $10 for a pumpkin today, or a small one, due to the hike. Oh yeah, mum's the word, man. Mum's the word. Keep nice and quiet about mums, and things will go just great, right? That's what you like about it. Be nice and quiet about mum. I sat by the tool section where all the other sandpapers are at, and I just couldn't find the eraser pad in the find. But that'd do. I'll just do a little lighter sanding with the medium, because the medium was like a 2-pack for the price of one regular pad, and I know where I can go and get the fine one. This way I could do it by hand, by the mouse, and by the roller. And I was thinking of getting the square one that I could just make my own. I'm good. I'm happy. I'm getting out of breath. Time for me to get on out of here. I'm on the hunt for Jolly Ranchers, because let me tell you, my allergies, you know, starts up in spring, but I also catch it in the fall, where, yeah, you'll love it. I don't, but I make do with it. I start to lose my voice again, and that's why I'm getting out of breath. This was the shot right back here. All the mist, the dew rising. When I came out of the bike, seat was all wet from Lowe's. You know what I mean. Oh man, one day they'll pave my bike path for me. One day. They already got the fall leaves for winter getting ready to go up soon. They rolled on the side. Alright, get your last look at it. Woo, man, gorgeous shot. I remember riding along the next state over in the wee hours of the morning, and I'm on Sterling Forest going up to Sterling, and I was on this side road 94, and man, let me tell you, I pulled over to the side of the road and I grabbed my shot, and I have it on video too. Also, I remember going up another road and just sitting there, just watching that dew rise. Wonderful shot. Yeah, early in the morning, we're going somewhere. Yeah, man. Am I doing it? Oh yeah. I gotta turn. Woohoo! That's where you turn, baby. Yes, indeed. Days I have it, days I don't, days you don't understand it, days you do. Hey, I'm Fish, and I want to thank you for joining me on this wonderful vlogging day. This is vlogging episodes, you know why. Put a name to it, put a number to it, or whatever you want to it, and you get the idea about how people vlog. If you don't like it, go to the left, go to the right, go to the right, go to the left. You'll find somebody up or down that you may like. Have a great day. I'm Fish. Thank you, my followers, my friends. Have a great day.